Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your drive modes in your 2019 Volvo XC40. So, in order to access this feature, all you have to do is to make sure you go to the center console. And once you get to the center console, you're going to have the drive mode button right there on the very right hand side. So once we do, of course, we're going to click on it, switch up the drive modes. So first things first, the car will default by comfort. So this is pretty much your everyday use to commute to work and stuff like that. Dynamic is if you want to do a spirited driving, you do have an option to do that. And you will notice right here, as when you switch modes, you can see the speedometer and the RPM gauge changes. And then eco mode, of course, is your most efficient drive. So this gives you the best gas mileage out of every mode that this car offers. And then the last part is the off-road mode. So this one, of course, it brings out all the compass to make sure you're heading in the right direction. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this quick tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Marin Acura, and thank you guys for watching.